Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable scheduled task on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Task Scheduler. Best match should come back with Task Scheduler. Go ahead and open that up. This window a little wider here. And we're going to select Task Scheduler Library on the left side. Now, on the right, you can see all the tasks that are currently have schedules on our computer, and then the triggers as to specifically what time it's set to run. As you can see, that's what this column is all about. So let's say you wanted to disable one of these tasks, such as like the OneDrive task. You can just select it and then left click on disable on the right side here, and then you've disabled it. And you can also enable it in the same fashion here as well. You can also run the service manually by clicking the little run button. So if you wanted to run, for example, the CCleaner update service, you could just click on it and then select the run button and actually run the task manually immediately. So definitely a cool little feature there, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.